She's complaining again that she's being arrested. All are equal before the law. She wants to be treated differently. That cannot be done. All warrants of arrest issued by competent courts are to be served the way it was served to her this morning. And warrants of arrest are not issued unless the court's judges determine there is a probable cause, which means due process has been observed. So she cannot be complaining that this is again a violation of press freedom. Press freedom has nothing to do with the charges against Ms. Ressa. She's charged of a crime, and there is a determination of probable cause. Hence, a warrant of arrest has been issued. She should concentrate on defending herself in court.
Thank you, sir.
She cannot be always using the freedom of the press as an excuse to attack the administration.